Did you know that you can earn $1,000 to $2,000 with your public speaking skills? But let's be honest here for a second. Making money with your public speaking abilities requires dedication and effort. Building credibility and reputation in this field takes time, but fear not. That's precisely what we're going to cover in this video. There are many places where you can carve out your career as a paid speaker, like corporate events, conventions, and conferences where you can command fees ranging from $1,000 to $2,000 per speech, or more local opportunities such as speaking at events in your local YMCA or your local schools. Even digital platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn offer avenues for monetizing your speaking talents. So, in this video, we'll walk you through various techniques to help you become a full-time paid speaker, or maybe make it a side hustle. When it comes to selling anything, including yourself, branding is crucial. Take your time and think about your brand name, logo, website, and unique selling point. Reflect on your values, personality, and unique experiences to see what sets you apart in this industry. Finding your niche expertise is equally important. Figure out what topics you excel at speaking about. Ideally, something you can talk for 30 minutes without any notes. For me, it was overcoming the fear of public speaking, a personal journey that I knew resonated with many people out there. What's your niche? Tell me in the comments below and I'll give some feedback. Let's start with corporate conferences. Events like these provide an excellent platform to connect with diverse audiences and decision makers from various industries. When you attend these conferences, have your mini elevator pitch ready. Here's what I use. Hey, I'm Danish. I used to dread public speaking, but over time, I have transformed that weakness into my greatest strength. And now I help managers and leaders do the same. This is an example of an elevator pitch that can hook new people you meet at conferences and make them curious to learn more about you. One of the key elements of this is solving a problem that your potential customer or audience has. If you want help crafting a compelling elevator pitch, check out this video. Next, launch a YouTube channel and actively engage your audiences on LinkedIn or Twitter. This will not only help you with your video portfolio, but also cultivate a community genuinely interested in your message. Now, while building a community and making connections is one aspect of a public speaking career, it is imperative you say yes to unpaid opportunities at the beginning to start collecting testimonials, which again can go into your video portfolio. Over time, you can start charging for your speeches. Maybe start at $500 for one speech and then $750 for the next one, and then just build on from there. Also, there are other ways to monetize your expertise. How can you do that? Option one is selling courses. For example, 2 weeks ago, I launched a 90-day cohort-based course on speaking to influence for $600 per student. You can easily create a course on your expertise and sell it on platforms like Maven, Kajabi, or Gumroad. Option two is by selling a product. This can be in the form of creating an app like I did. I launched Ori to help people all across the world improve their public speaking skills. If you want to download the app, scan this QR code. Aside from an app, you could write a book on the area of your expertise. For me, it could be effective communication techniques or giving a TED Talk. And finally, option three is offering coaching or consultancy services. Many businesses are willing to pay for personalized feedback and guidance to enhance their workplace and increase productivity. So, by leveraging your expertise in that field, you can help your potential clients as well. Your public speaking skills can be put to good use. Sales, in particular, is one of them. In sales, you can use your persuasive speaking skills to close deals and generate revenue for your company. With a competitive base salary and the potential for commissions, sales positions offer a stable income stream while allowing you to refine your speaking skills continuously. And that's it. Earning $1,000, $2,000, or even $10,000 is entirely possible using these techniques. By following the right approach, you can monetize your passion for public speaking into a profitable avenue. We hope this video helps you start your career in public speaking. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button for more videos like this from us. Bye!